Welcome to our channel where we discuss home renovation and interior design tips. In today's video, we're going to talk about bathroom renovation mistakes to avoid. Bathrooms are one of the most important spaces in our homes, and a renovation can greatly increase the value of your property. However, it's important to avoid common mistakes that could end up costing you more money and time in the long run. So, let's get started. Mistake hash 1. Not having a proper plan. One of the biggest mistakes people make when renovating their bathrooms is not having a proper plan. Many homeowners start the renovation without a clear idea of what they want to achieve and end up making changes halfway through the project. This can lead to delays and unexpected expenses. Therefore, it's important to have a well-defined plan before you start your renovation. Mistake hash 2. Ignoring the plumbing. Another common mistake is ignoring the plumbing. Plumbing issues can cause a lot of problems if not taken care of properly. Make sure you have a professional plumber check your plumbing system before starting your renovation. Also, keep in mind that changing the layout of your bathroom could require moving plumbing fixtures, which can be costly. Mistake hash 3. Going over budget. Many people underestimate the cost of a bathroom renovation and end up going over budget. This can be avoided by setting a realistic budget and sticking to it. Research the cost of materials and labor, and include a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Mistake hash 4. Not considering storage. Storage is important in a bathroom, but it's often overlooked. Not having enough storage can lead to a cluttered and disorganized space. Make sure to plan for enough storage space in your renovation. This can be achieved by installing shelves, cabinets, or even a built-in vanity. Mistake hash 5. Choosing the wrong materials. Finally, choosing the wrong materials can be a costly mistake. Make sure to choose materials that are suitable for a bathroom environment. For example, using wallpaper instead of tiles can lead to mold and mildew growth. Choose materials that are durable and easy to maintain. In conclusion, bathroom renovation can be a great investment, but it's important to avoid these common mistakes. Have a proper plan, consider the plumbing, set a realistic budget, plan for storage, and choose the right materials. By following these tips, you can ensure a successful and stress-free renovation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home renovation and interior design tips.